Hello to my queens and my kings. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Wendy Inspire channel. Wow, I have a whole lot to do. I have my unboxing, I have my hair journey, and I have a semi-hair tutorial. So the first thing is, today is the first time that I did my hair in over 10 years. I've never done my hair in a long time. And I wore weaves for a very long time. So my hair grew pretty long. My hair is about to here, natural. No chemicals, no anything in it. And I wore weaves forever, and now I am embracing 100% the natural me. So these are the 3 products that I use today. So I washed my hair with the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. It's sulfate free. This is the very first time that I use this shampoo. It washed pretty good, but it didn't feel as soft, so maybe next time I use it, I will try to have a conditioner mixed with it. So after I washed my hair with the shampoo, I then had a leave-in conditioner, so Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, which made it a lot easier for me to brush through my hair. So this was pretty good. And then what I did is I sealed the tips of my hair with the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curling Gel Sulfate. Did I say that right? Or something. So this is for thick curly hair. So I put this on the ends of my hair. Right here. So I put this on the end. So I will check in with you guys tomorrow morning and let you know how it looks. So I did a 2-strand twist, and then I put rollers on the end, and now I have my little heating cap. So again, this is the first time I've done my own hair in over 10 years. And on top of doing my own hair, it's all my natural hair. So I'm just embracing my natural beauty. I'm embracing being happy being me. And then I bought this. So the Ionic Soft Bonnet Dryer. So we're going to do my unboxing video. And then I'm also going to see how it works. So I'm going to sit under this dryer for probably about 30 minutes to an hour. And then I'm going to sleep with my hair twisted down. And then in the morning I'll check back in with you guys and I'll let you know how that's going. So just embracing your natural beauty. Embracing being happy, being just the way you are. And women out there, just to encourage yourself and me that you do not need weave or anything that is not growing out of your scalp to be pretty, to be beautiful. Nothing wrong with weaves, but you don't need them to be pretty and to be beautiful. And there's nothing wrong with embracing the natural texture hair that God has blessed you with. So let's check this out. I bought this from Amazon. I spent, I think it was mid-30s. I know it was under $40. I got it in about 2 days. Again, you know how I love to talk about the packaging. The packaging is pretty thick. And let's see what's going on with this. Alright, so Ionic Soft Bonnet Dryer. 3 heat settings provide drying and styling control. So here's all the details of the Ionic Soft Bonnet Dryer. I actually picked this one up because I figured it would be more comfortable, that I can just plug it in right here behind my couch, throw it on my head and watch TV or read a good book. I didn't want to stay stuck in the same position, so I chose to get an inexpensive bonnet dryer. And let's see how it goes. See how this works out. Alright, well, it's packaged pretty simply. You just take it out the bag, so that's easy enough. And it has some directions or instructions or what have you. Okay, well, And it says open right here, so let's see what's in here. See, I guess this is, I feel like I'm gonna break something if I pull it too hard. So I'm assuming this is the bonnet's package, kind of tight in here, and I'm almost afraid that if I pull it too hard I'm gonna break it. So I'm going to gently pull this out. Alright, so this is the bonnet. Let's see the size of the bonnet. Okay. Well, it definitely will fit my big old head. And here's the hole, so I'm assuming that the hose goes in here. Let's see if I can find where the hose is. Alright, then it says hose. And then it looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4 settings. Cool, low, medium, and high. And let's see how I take the hose out. Let's see. I guess I'm pushing it in and then I'm pulling it out. So it seems kind of thick. It seems like it's thick plastic, but you still want to be careful as you pull it out. See how long it is. So here's the hose, and I'm assuming we then attach the bonnet. No, that's pretty simple. Oops, guess not so simple. Okay, so you put it in and then you turn it to lock it. Now the bonnet is secure on here. It looks like there's some little straps, probably to make it tighter on your head. And let's see where I find the cord. I was able to find everything else, so maybe it's down in here. So right here it has open. Oh, look! I'm a good guesser, and here is the plug. Alright, so let's unwind it. I'm going to plug it in, see how loud it is, see how great it dries, and then I will show you the finished product. So I also wanted to shout out my niece, Messina, Kelsey. She has her YouTube channel called The Network. I wanted to shout her out because she has been going or walking with me through her natural hair care journey with me. So shout out to her. Check out her YouTube channel, Messina Kelsey. She has a YouTube channel called The Network. Alright, so I'm going to plug this in. Oh, it has like little protective sort of. Plug this in. And I will put it on my head. I like it because it's small. So it's small, it's easy to move around. Let's see how well it dries. That's most important. So let's stick this on my head. I have a pretty big head, so I don't even think I have to adjust it. Alright, so I have it on my head. I have it plugged in. I guess I could just sit here, grab my book, and read a good book or watch TV, and let's turn it on. Let's see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel under Wendy Inspire. Leave a comment below. If you tried the same product, give me some feedback. When I'm finished, I'll check back in and I'll let you know how quickly it dried my hair. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Wendy_Massey1. I am embracing my hair journey. I am embracing being happy, being just the way I am, and I look forward to showing you the after results. So let's make it a great day, and happy curl setting ion blow dryer